In this video, you will learn how to use ZIA configuration to scan, document, and run reports on Microsoft Office 365. To scan Microsoft 365, create a new Microsoft 365 scan task. Select the services to be scanned. Create a service principal with a certificate. Or select an authentication type, then enter the details. Alternatively, to scan interactively using MFA, use the Microsoft Online Agent UI. For more information, please view the Admin Guide. To view your Microsoft 365 configuration, right-click the item you wish to view, then select Properties. Browse configuration using the tree view on the left. View detailed configuration on the right. To generate Microsoft 365 documentation, select the items, then right-click and press Save as PDF. Select the components to include in the documents. Press the Generate Document button to generate a zip file containing the PDF documents. Use reports to audit your Microsoft 365 settings. Browse the built-in reports using the tree view on the left. Execute reports on the right. Report against specific containers or other criteria. Output to CSV, PDF, or on-screen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find out more about ZIA configuration, please go to central-solutions.com/ZIA configuration.